Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 529. An HTTP error has occurred. So basically, the issue meaning the client cannot properly connect to overloaded or under maintenance servers. Just before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, we have to check the live platform health on the official Roblox status page. To do that, just go ahead and go to any web browser of your choice and type in status.roblox.com. And as you can see, all system operational are updated. So basically, everything should be operational. If not, that could be the reason. Sometimes it has this notification right here, and that might be causing the issue. So basically, go ahead and check that first. If an outage or partial disruption is listed, wait for Roblox to resolve the server-side load. Next is basically close out your Roblox player or Roblox entirely. Basically, log out of your account entirely, including or even selecting log out of all other sessions under your security settings. Wait for a few minutes, then sign back in with credentials. Some users note that temporarily logging into your alternate account or switching device can occasionally jumpstart a stuck authentication loop. So that's basically it. Go ahead and do that. Once done, troubleshoot your network connection. So basically, close out your Roblox client entirely. Right click on your taskbar right over here. Click on Task Manager. Scroll down, and if you do find any Roblox related system or process, just go ahead and right click and tasks. That will make sure that a Roblox player is entirely closed. Once done, click on your start menu right over here, type in cmd, run as administrator. A user account control will pop up. Just go ahead and click on yes and type in ip config space /flush DNS, click on enter, and it should say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. Now, thank you guys so much for watching, and if this video helped you, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.